Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on a diet that excludes all forms of meat and animal products? Welcome to the world of veganism, a lifestyle choice that many are embracing for a multitude of reasons. Today, we're diving into the history, benefits, and the exciting ways to celebrate World Vegetarian Day. Back in 1994, the first World Vegetarian Day was celebrated, marking the 50th anniversary of the founding of the Vegan Society in the United Kingdom. Since then, this day has grown into a global event, bringing together people from all walks of life to celebrate the benefits of veganism for animals, humans, and the environment. But why is this day so important? World Vegetarian Day serves as a beacon, raising awareness about veganism and its benefits. It's a day to celebrate the growing vegan community and show support, while also challenging people to consider the impact of their lifestyle on animals, humans, and the environment. Now you might be wondering why November 1st? This date was chosen to commemorate the founding of the Vegan Society back in 1944. This society, co-founded by Donald Watson, promoted a way of living that seeks to exclude all forms of exploitation and cruelty to animals. So, what are the benefits of embracing a veggie diet? Well, for starters, vegans play a significant role in reducing animal suffering by avoiding all animal products. A vegan diet can also reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. Not to mention, a vegan lifestyle significantly reduces environmental impact, as animal agriculture is a major contributor to climate change and environmental pollution. If you're intrigued and want to celebrate Vegan Day, there are quite a few ways to get involved. You could go vegan for the day, experiencing firsthand the benefits of this lifestyle, or cook up a storm with a vegan recipe and share a hearty, nutritious meal with your family. You could also support vegan businesses and organizations and educate others about veganism. Sharing resources, articles, and your personal experience can go a long way in promoting the benefits of a vegan lifestyle. To give you a sense of the impact of veganism, let's consider some facts and figures. A whopping 78% of vegans cited ethical reasons for their dietary choice, according to the 2022 Global Vegan Consumer Survey. Half of these vegans reported that their health improved after making the switch. Animal agriculture is responsible for 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. Moreover, producing 1 pound of beef requires a staggering 1,800 gallons of water, as per the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. In conclusion, veganism is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle choice that can make a significant difference in our world. So, why not give it a try? Who knows, you might find that a vegan lifestyle is just the change you've been looking for.